Hey guys, the topic of my video today is the environmental impact of plastic bags as well as the alternatives in order to understand what kind of choice we have in an environmentally unhealthy ecosystem. First of all, this is plastic bakelite, which was invented in 1907, but until 1960, plastic polyethylene became cheap and efficient to make. Plastic bags exploded in popularity, was marketed and made as a single-use product because it is cheap to manufacture. But the environmental cost of using it isn't cheap. According to English Environment Agency, there was 60% of the environmental footprint of plastic, which were raw material products and resource extraction. Although post-use impact accounts for less than half of a bank's total environmental impact, it is also the part of the bank's life that consumers can most easily control. It is about 100 million plastic bags, which was thrown away in U.S. annually, and just a fraction of which gets recycled. More of them was ejected into the ocean. These plastic bags could take well over 500 years to degrade the bank to maintain their original shape. However, instead, they slowly break down via sun, water, microbial erosion, which can be fatal to marine life. So it would make sense to buy a cloth reusable bag or the paper bag. It isn't so simple. In the English Environment Agency study, they found that the real environmental cost of a bag, whether plastic, paper, or cloth, is heavily rooted in the production side of the product. So plastic actually has the smallest environmental impact out of those three materials. They need to be used multiple times, but for paper it is about 3 times, and for cloth it is 131 times. So it means that using plastic bags are the best option, but we need to avoid them when possible to mitigate the negative effects of that plastic. There is no need to go out and buy a brand new reusable tote if you have durable plastic bags at home. Reducing plastic bags has environmental initiatives, but if we zoom out, they are a smart part in a much larger environmental picture. Our choices as consumers are important, but we also face imperfect options based on production side decisions. Reducing plastic just is a small alternation that needs to go hand in hand with other action.